Hey folks, Eric here for TruTech Tools. Today we're going to check out a new product called the Always Clear device. Let's take a look. The Always Clear device is a chemical dispenser designed to go in condensate drain lines and continuously dispense a chemical as long as water is flowing through the dispenser to keep sludge and buildup from happening inside that line. Let's take a closer look inside. All right, so the Always Clear device is made up of 3 basic pieces and a chemical tablet. Now, the base piece is designed to hook up to 3/4 inch PVC glue fittings, and a bell end will slide over either end or either side of this. You have your inlet fitting, your outlet fitting. Inside of the base, you have an arrow that says which way the water is going to be flowing. On top of that, we have our chemical holder that snaps into the base piece, and then a cap that goes on top of that. Now, when mounting the Always Clear device, you want this as close to the coil as possible, preferably before any traps. That way, the chemical is dispensed into the trap and keeps any sludge or slime that may grow in the trap from occurring. Now, the chemical tablet gets dropped down into the top of the holder and will last for around 12 months, even in the highest humidity environments. Replacing this once a year actually keeps slime and sludge from growing downstream of the Always Clear device in the drain lines. The Always Clear device was invented by someone in the maintenance industry to keep sludge from happening in high humidity environments. It's a nice high quality piece that's very simple to install and maintain, and it's made in the USA. If you would like to know more about the Always Clear device, check it out on TruTechTools.com.